Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be using the Celestial Divinity palette by Pat McGrath. So I am starting off with that dusty rosy pink shade, and this is my transition color. There are only 3 mattes in the palette, and this is the only one that I could pull off as a transition. So that's what I'm doing right now in the crease, bringing it upwards. Her mattes are pretty nice. This one, for some reason, I just felt was a little bit patchy on me. But, you know, overall it worked okay. I like the other mattes in the palette. I don't know what was wrong with this one for me. So, yeah, I'm just putting that in my crease and blending it out, making sure it's not patchy. And then I'm taking the other shade, that other matte shade. It's like a reddish brown. And this is going in the outer V and in the crease. And I'm really packing that on with the Sigma E25. And I just want to give a quick shout out to my friend Michelle who sent this to me. She had an extra one, so she sent it my way, which was super, super nice. I'm very, very thankful, so thank you so much. I know I've already said thank you to you like a million times, but it really, really means a lot. I do have a stuffy nose, so if I sound weird, that's what's going on. I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to talk too much in this tutorial. So now I'm going to take my concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the inner portion of my lid, and then I am going to blend it out with my finger so it's not so heavy, and then it just blends a little bit better into the crease shade. And then after that, I'm taking this beautiful red color, and I'm picking it up with a brush at first, which, as you can see, it looks great with the brush. Like, you don't have to go in with your finger or anything like that, but I wanted to try it with my finger, and I did, and it's even more vibrant. Do you guys see that? How beautiful that is? And to blend that shade in with my crease colors, I'm just taking a little bit of that chocolatey brown and putting it in the outer V and blending it in with that red. And then I'm taking this beautiful, like, pinky, kind of like reddish kind of shade, putting that in the inner portion, and I did it with a brush at first, and then I went over it with my pinky, and then I'm kind of like blending those 2 shimmery shades together. I have to say, this looked so pretty. I'm so glad this tutorial worked out. I actually tried to film a tutorial the other day, and I did like a purple green look, and it just didn't look that great. So I'm glad this one worked well, and I've also done like a green look, but I'm trying to switch up my looks a little bit. I just did a green eyeshadow look the other day, so I wanted to kind of do something different, and I feel like I've never done an eyeshadow tutorial with these colors. So now I'm using my concealer again and doing my regular concealer routine. You guys know the deal. So this palette doesn't have a brow bone highlight for me, so I just used the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, took the shade Heaven, and I'm just highlighting right underneath my eyebrow and then also blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. And then after that, I'm taking that matte shade and just lining my upper lash line with it. I kind of wanted like a sultry vibe, but I didn't want to do winged eyeliner. I wanted the eyeshadow to be like the boom main focus. I didn't want the winged eyeliner to take any of the eyeshadow away, you know? So I'm also taking that same shade, running it on the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm taking my transition color, that pinky shade, and then blending it out with that. And then I'm gonna go ahead, use false lashes today. Thank God I am on my last one of this pack. They're the Ardell 105s. I really don't like them, guys. I put them on, I'm blending them in with my natural lashes with the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, hitting my bottom lashes, and then we're done. If you guys want to see another look with this palette, let me know. It's beautiful. I really, really like it, and it's expensive, so I just don't want to do one look and call it a day. I want to get a lot out. So let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.